It's a shame the Sofitel building is behind this, because this old train station is a pretty good looking building for Central Station. Here at Anzac Square, I think. An Australian flag trying to blow, and you can barely see it, but this is a New Zealand flag, and the way that you know, easiest way, fewer stars, and the stars are 5-pointed in red. That's the New Zealand flag. So yeah, Anzac Square, Australia, New Zealand. They've been homies for quite a long time. They both used to be the same colony. Gargoyles, very nice. St. Stephen's Cathedral, Brisbane. Queen Street Mall. Never gets old. Yeah, they're macas. But I also see they have, there it is. Oh, there's where we're going next. Okay. Here's Brisbane's Tourist Info Centre downtown. Australian arcades, these really thin but cool little malls are everywhere. This is the oldest one in Brisbane. It's been here about 100 years, 1923. The Room with Roses is a rather posh looking high tea establishment.